If your Fire TV stick is stuck on the Amazon logo, do not panic. This problem is very common and can be fixed at home. In the next few minutes, I will show you real working solutions used by technicians. Watch carefully and do not skip any step. First, let us start with the basic power reset. Unplug the Fire TV stick from the TV and power source. Also unplug the USB power cable from the adapter. Now wait exactly 1 full minute. This clears temporary cache and boot loop issues. After 1 minute, plug the Fire TV stick directly into a wall power adapter. Do not use the TV USB port. Low power is one of the main reasons for Amazon logo freeze. Second, check the HDMI connection properly. Remove the Fire TV stick from the HDMI port. Clean the HDMI port gently if needed. Now connect the Fire TV stick again. If possible, use a different HDMI port on your TV. Loose HDMI connection can stop the boot process. Third, try the forced restart method using the remote. Make sure the Fire TV stick is powered on and stuck on the logo. Press and hold the select button and the play pause button together. Hold both buttons for 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the screen restarts. This forces the system to reboot. Fourth, perform a factory reset using button combination. This is very effective. Press and hold the right direction button and the back button together. Hold for 15 seconds. You may see a reset prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions. This will erase all data but fix system corruption. Fifth, check Wi-Fi related boot issues. After reset, keep Wi-Fi turned off initially. Complete setup without connecting to Wi-Fi. Later connect using 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can freeze the Fire TV stick during startup. Sixth, overheating can cause boot loop. Disconnect the Fire TV stick. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. Avoid covering the device behind the TV. Use an HDMI extender if available for better airflow. Finally, if nothing works, the internal firmware may be damaged. This usually happens after failed updates or power cuts. In this case, replacement is the only solution. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real fixes are coming soon.